Intercultural communication is a vital tool for fostering understanding and unity in today's globalized world. As societies became more diverse, the ability to communicate effectively across different cultures is essential for promoting peace, collaboration, and mutual respect. Misunderstanding often arise from difference in cultural norms, values, and communication styles, which can lead to conflict or alienation. By encouraging intercultural dialogue, individuals can learn to appreciate diverse perspectives and find common ground. This not only strengthens personal relationship but also improves professional interactions in multicultural workplaces. Moreover, intercultural communication helps break down stereotypes, prejudice, paving the way for more inclusive communities. Governments, organizations, and educational institutions should invest in programs that teach cultural competence and empathy. In a world increasingly divided by differences, promoting intercultural communication can be the key to building more harmonious society. The ability to engage in respectful and meaningful cross-cultural exchanges is crucial for creating a more connected and compassionate world. I am Veronica B. Amaro of 12 Cubes 4, presenting the advocacy of intercultural communication.